These soldiers from Somalia were exhibiting their shooting skills, which have taken 9 months to perfect. This follows training in marksmanship, drills and political education. The training was offered by the Uganda government, and the soldiers received joint training by the European Union and the UPDF at Bihanga Military Training School in Ibanda district. There was 900 recruits, including 40 women, involved in the training initiative, which the government of Somalia hopes will go a long way in helping them face out the enemy.
I will believe to all African nations to send any help they can, especially troops. Their African brothers that are in need in Somalia. We are fighting for our survival now, for our existence. We are actually winning. The tide has turned against Al-Shabaab. This is time to join us and join part of history-making moment.
The now qualified soldiers who will be deployed by the transitional federal government in Somalia will boost the UPDF peacekeepers serving in Somalia. The UPDF, however, will not pull out until the operation is finished.
We cannot sit back, drop our guard, and think everything is we are home and dry. Remember, the Al-Shabaabs who are born, bred, and grown up in Mogadishu. Those are likely maybe not to have left Mogadishu. What do? They thin out and go out into small cells of 2 and 3 and 4. If we don't work towards cleaning Mogadishu, then we stand the risk of being surprised at the time when we least expect.
The new recruits will join 7,000 African Union peacekeepers composed of Burundi and Uganda forces who have been in Somalia for the last 3 years to support the beleaguered government of President Sheikh Ahmed Sharif. Defense experts say the insurgents can be neutralized if 20,000 troops are deployed across the country.